we are going to finish this thing up. Have you noticed my palette has just run off at every corner each time I look for it? My goodness. So, we gotta get our pudding out of the fridge. Looks like it's setting pretty nice. Nice and shiny. Smells delicious. Just like we were anticipating. Give it a good little quick stir. Anybody out there craving something sweet? Woo! Woo! So we'll let the audience try this. And this guy right here, I see him every show. He's always on the very front row. Just don't know what I'm going to do with this kid. So go ahead, have a taste. Might still be a little warm, but it should be good.
It looks good.
Okay, that's good. Let's give it back and don't put that spoon back in there. Thank you very much. So,
That was some good pudding.
so thank y'all. This has been Google It Kitchen with Ethan Vaught, and I hope y'all enjoy y'all's pudding. Thank you very much for joining me.
Two, three, four. F, B flat, F, another bar of F, B flat, another bar of B flat, F, F, one bar of C, one bar of B flat, two bars of F. Bar 2, B flat, F, here it comes, C minor 7, F7, B flat 7.